Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Natalie, and I would love it if you would hit that red subscribe button and consider sticking around. So, for today's video, I'm going to be doing an updated makeup routine. It's been a minute since I've just sat down and did my makeup for you guys. So, I'm really excited about this, and I'm sorry if you can hear my dryer going off right now, and people are like right outside the window just talking, and cars drive by like constantly, so I'm sorry if you can hear all that. I'm also filming this video in front of natural lighting, so I think it looks pretty good. It's kind of gloomy out today. I guess we're going to go on ahead and get started. So I'm going to be using these little clips that I got from TJ Maxx to just throw my hair back. They really come in handy when I'm doing my makeup. You know what? I just realized I don't have my mirror. I should probably go get that. I was going to use the viewfinder, but it's like kind of further away, so I don't think that's a good idea. So I will be right back. Now I'm back. I have my mirror set up right here, so if I'm looking like this, it's because I have my mirror like directly right, not directly right in front of the camera, but it's just like right here. And Chevy decided that he wanted to lay right here beside me, so we have a little guest. What are you doing? You give me paw? Oh, I love you. Okay, let's go on ahead and get started with the makeup. So, first and foremost, I have been loving this Milk Makeup Lip Plumper. I received this from Influencer for free. I absolutely love this. It's in the shade, what shade is this? Charged, and it's their Electric Glossy Lip Plumper. I really like this like for before makeup because it gives a like pretty nice wash of color and it gets my lips ready for lip products at the end of my makeup routine. Okay, and next I'm going to be going in with the Dewy Coconut Setting Mist from e.l.f. I really love this stuff, you guys. It's really, really good. Super dewy. It does exactly what it says, and you can use this before makeup to prep, or you can use it during makeup, and you can use it to set, obviously. So I like to use it for all three. So I'm just gonna spray my face with this. It has like the perfect mist. I don't know if you guys could see that, but okay, so while that setting spray, prepping spray, whatever you want to call it, is just kind of soaking into the skin right now, I'm gonna do my brows, and I use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso. I absolutely love this brow pencil. And I just kind of start to fill them in. My brows are already kind of full, I guess, so I don't really have to do too much to them. But this is like a everyday kind of makeup routine, or when I do my makeup, you know, like a very natural makeup routine. So when I do my makeup and I'm not doing like full glam, this is what I do. Next is foundation, and I'm going to be using the one by L'Oreal. It's the Infallible Up to 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. This is the shade 425, and then I also have the shade 405. I like to mix these two because it gives me like my perfect shade. Almost, it's not like the perfect shade, but it works. So I'm going to do a little cocktail and mix these up. This might be the smidge bit too dark. Maybe not. Then to blend that out, I've been really liking using a brush here lately, so I really like this one by Real Techniques. It's just their Expert face brush, and it's really dense right here, so that's why I like it for blending out foundation. So I'm just gonna go in with this first, and then I will go in with my sponge to make sure there's no streaks and to just further blend that into the skin. And also I have combination skin, So I get really oily in my T-zone, and then around like the outside of my face it gets really dry. So sorry about this lighting. It's kind of getting dark and I feel like I should probably turn on my ring light. Okay, so I tilted you guys up a little bit and I opened up the window, or not opened up the window, I opened up the blinds a little bit more, and I think the lighting is good. So here lately I have been really getting into like cream contour, but like very quick cream contour. I feel like it, when you go to lay down your powder products, it lays beautifully and it just like gives you that overall natural look. I don't know, anybody else? But for cream contour, I've been using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. If you're new here, this is my favorite concealer. I use it for my under eyes as well. So I picked this one up in the shade Tan Walnut to cream contour, and I just absolutely have fallen in love with doing this now. I can't stop doing it. So what I do is I just put a little bit right here. So I'm just going to go in with that same sponge and blend this out. I really try my best to only focus this product like where I put it, but sometimes it can get hard, so I might have to get like a different sponge or a different brush for this. I wonder if this brush would actually be perfect for this. Just try it on this side. And now for highlighting and concealing, I'm going to be using that e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is in the shade Light Peach. And I tried the hydrating one finally, and I'm not the biggest fan of it. I really like the original. So we're just going to do some highlighting up here on the forehead, down the nose, a little bit on the upper lip, and the chin. And I might have put too much on my chin, but that's okay. I have not tried another concealer in like over a year, so what is your favorite concealer? It can be drugstore, it can be high-end, I don't really mind. I would just like to, you know, try out new products because, like I said, I haven't tried out a new concealer in a really long time, and I think it's about time that I try new stuff. Okay, now to conceal the under eyes, just going to take that same concealer and just put some right in here and up here. I believe this shade might be the tiniest bit too light for me. So I have other shades, I just haven't tried them yet. But we always make it work. Okay, now I'm just going to be setting with the Maybelline Fit Me Powder in the shade 05 Fair. I'm going to set my entire face with this powder and my under eyes. Gotta make sure that my under eyes don't crease, and I'm just taking the, this is a crease brush, but you know, we don't use brushes for what they're supposed to be used for around here. So this one's by Real Techniques. And then I usually just take another brush. I don't even know where I got this brush. It's very old, but I take it and just kind of further set. Press that powder in there. So I'm going to be taking this little powder brush by e.l.f. It's very, very dense, and I just like to pick up some of that powder, kind of put it in the cap and mix it around a little bit. Always tap off the excess because we don't need a whole lot. And then I will set the rest of my face with this. Okay, so next I'm going to do bronzer, blush, and highlight, and these are my favorite parts of my makeup routine. So for bronzer, I'm going to be using this one by Maybelline. It is their Silky Matte Bronzer in the shade Sunlight. This bronzer is so good, you guys. Definitely go try it. It is matte, so sometimes I will use this to like contour, but I've been really liking this as a bronzer as well, just kind of all over. And it's just so smooth, so buttery, and I really love this. Blush and highlight. So my all-time favorite blush right now, why did I say right now? This is my all-time favorite blush, is the one by Milani. It is their baked blush in the shade Luminoso. Oh my gosh, I will probably never use another blush. I've used other blushes and I have some in my makeup vanity, but I just always go back to this one. It's just a really pretty like corally shade. Okay, so before highlight, I like to spray some type of mist. So this one is perfect for that because, like I said, you can use it before your makeup, during, and after. So I'm just going to spritz some of this on my face before highlight. Okay, y'all, and for highlight, I just picked this up not too long ago and I am in love with it. This is the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter in the shade 10, Be My Highlight. It is so gorgeous, you guys. I've heard a lot of people say that they wear this on their wedding day, and it's just super natural, but you can build it up, and it just gives you that really pretty, like, within kind of glow. Look how stinking pretty that is, y'all. And like I said before, I'm extra with highlight, so I will build this up just depending on the day. Today I'm feeling like I want to build it up a little bit. But you don't even need to build it up, like just that first swipe and it looks so dang gorgeous. Okay, and for the eyes, like for every day, I just kind of throw some bronzer in my crease and call it a day. So this brush is by Morphe and it is a blending brush. I really like how fluffy it is, so it's perfect for this. So I'm just going to take that Milani bronzer and pop some of this in my crease just to contour my eyes out a little bit and give them some color. And for mascara, I have fallen in love with this new one that I've been trying for a couple weeks now. It is the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. It is so good, you guys. I have talked about these lip glosses by Ellen Tracy in my TJ Maxx makeup haul. I think that's what it was, or TJ Maxx makeup that you need. Gosh, I don't even know my own videos, but I will pop a card up here somewhere so you can definitely go check that out. These feel like Vaseline, and I got like 5 different colors. They're not meant to be super pigmented, but they give you like a pretty little wash of color. So this one, oh, there are no shade names, so that kind of stinks, but this one's like super peachy, and I really like it. Okay, y'all, and that is going to be it for this updated makeup routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I've been loving doing my makeup like super natural and just kind of glowy, so what do you guys think? And yeah, you guys, that is going to be it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below for me and leave me a comment. And if I left out anything or I didn't show you a brush or a product, All of the products will be listed in the description box down below, so if you're interested in any of these products, definitely go check those links out, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!